All right, today I'm going to be showing you how to change a battery on your Ring device. So some of the Ring devices are actually battery powered, some are wired. It'll typically say it on the box, but this one is a Ring stick camera and it is battery charged. So we'll go ahead and open it up to get it changed. So you can see there's a lock, unlock. I got it halfway already. You go ahead, pop that open. And from here, you'll see the battery. So we'll go ahead and take that out. And this is what the battery will look like that you're gonna be replacing. And I also have here a box. So this box, I found it at a garage sale for $10, but I'll put a link in Amazon with the best price that I can find. But typically, these will come out and they'll have the same exact battery pack, and they'll also have a charger here as well. And so typically with these battery powered devices, what I'll do is I'll have one that's in the device and then I'll have one that's charging. So that's what I'd tell you. If you have a battery device, it's typically good to have two batteries and charging one. They do have some like massive platforms as well where you can charge, 6, 7 batteries at one time. I don't have one of those, or I'd show you. But that's how simple it is. You'll go ahead and charge it, go ahead, put it in there, and then it'll be good to go. So there you guys go. That's how you change the batteries. If you have any questions or there's a device that you'd like to see how it's done, let me know, leave a comment, and thanks for watching.